yung mga vlog natin from couple of, yung mga na-upload ko na is, yung mga, like, 2 weeks ago na yon or But anyways, so yeah, welcome back sa amin. So aalis tayo today guys kasi marami akong ikukwento sa inyo na mga nangyari this past few days. So yeah, maraming kwento but mamaya na natin gagawin yan. But aalis tayo today kasi dadalhin natin si Natalia sa doctor dahil meron siyang stitches dito sa kanyang ulo dito. So tatanggalin yon. So ikukwento ko yan sa inyo mamaya. And also bibili tayo ng mga kakailanganin natin sa birthday ni Kuya Caleb tomorrow guys. 9 years old na siya. So yeah, so yun, bibili tayo ng mga kakailangan natin sa kanyang birthday. Lang tayo, pupunta tayo sa park and so yun, sa park tayo with friends. Mag-order din tayo ng pizza, mag-order din tayo ng cookie cake, yung ginawa natin yung ordered nun sa birthday ni Kuya Chad. So yun ang gagawin natin. And kasi yung appointment ni Natalia, it's only at 1 p.m. pa. And magte 10 o'clock na. So pupunta na tayo so aalis na tayo kasi para kasi malayo, hindi naman malayo yung pupuntahan natin. So mag-order lang tayo ng pizza muna and then yung cookie cake sa mall. So dun tayo mag-order. And then pagkatapos noon magla-lunch kami. And then pupunta tayo sa appointment ni Natalia. So yeah, so let's go. Nandoon na si Daddy sa car tsaka si Natalia. Tapos yung 3 boys nandoon na sa bahay ng mga lola nila. So let's go. Sisi! Say hi! Yan, dito na kami. What is this? Virtual reality. Oh. It is 10:40 na guys. No, we're not gonna go there. Sobrang dead ng mall. This is a different mall guys. Go follow Daddy. I'm coming. We are done.
You buckled up, Sissy?
So that's the only main thing we did, so guys, is to get Caleb's I feel like I'm too far from this thing. Yun lang yung pinunta natin sa mall, is to order that yeah. And where are we going now? Sam's. So punta naman tayo sa Sam's para mag-order ng pizza.
It's good.
What?
I said it's good.
It's good. What? It's good in the hood?
The pizza.
Oh, yeah, the pizza, it's really, really good. So
Everybody likes it.
everybody likes it. Yun yung pizza na in-ordered namin yung birthday ni Kuya Chad. So, and everybody likes it. And are you gonna order some hot dog also?
Yeah.
Okay. So, everybody likes it. So, that's what we're gonna order again. So, let's go. Jessie,
Yes,
look at me.
it's too bright.
Oh, it's too bright. Oh, my bad. Yan, dito na tayo guys sa Sam's. Para mag-order ng pizza. Come on, Jessie.
We're not getting anything.
Okay. We're not getting anything. We're not getting anything. That's what Daddy said. We're not getting anything. Huh?
Not this trip.
Next week, sisi. Next week. Ayan, mag-order lang tayo ng pizza. Where? Where? Is that 83 inches? Or 85? Right there, it says. Oh, thin. Okay. Look at the price. Dang, 3,000. Look how, oo nga, oh. Ang nipis nga niya. Alright, come on, girl. Why are you sad? Kasi wala tayong bibilihin. We're not. We're just gonna order some pizza for Kuya Caleb. Yeah, no, look at that. Come on, sad ka, no? Ayan, dito tayo mag-order,
We don't have the
guys.
truck. We get the van. We don't have any room to put anything in there.
Dito na kami, guys, sa kanyang doctor. Kaso, close pa sila for lunch.
That's Molly's phone.
Hey, girl, that's my phone.
Bye. Mommy,
Oh, shit.
I'm thirsty.
What? Don't drink that. If you want to drink, then I can get some in the car. You want to drink?
Yes, can you go and get it, please?
Okay.
You get it, please. That's what she said. The allergies.
Yeah. Ay, kalabaw ni Natalia.
Sorry.
When they get in the van.
Well, she said she's not done. So it says so right there. No food or drinks allowed, sissy.
Yeah. See, we gotta put it back in the van.
Yeah.
Molly has to take it to the van, okay?
Okay.
Drink one more time. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Makatulog daw sila.
You're playing with you, Molly.
Why are you guys playing with me? And she's playing along.
Oh, I told her to go sleep. Okay.
You sleeping on me?
Yeah, I'm sitting in your chair.
Oh no. Look. Let me see. Tignan niyo yung stitches na tali, guys.
Wet and cold. What do you like at McDonald's?
I love chicken nuggets.
You want some chicken nuggets?
Do you like chicken nuggets?
You want chicken nugget Happy Meal?
I'm just looking at them first, okay, baby? It looks like it's healing great. Okay, I think this one's probably going to be the easiest, so we're going to start with it. All right, you are doing so good.
Don't move, sissy.
Okay, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you just scared?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I'm right here.
There went one.
See, it's out.
We did it. Let me look at the next one. I'll just see which way is the easiest way to get to it.
Ayan guys, tapos na. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko na tinuloy yung pagbibideo ko dahil naawa na ako kay ate girl.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, you get that one? Oh, ayan na guys, natanggal na.
Mommy.
Mm.
But,
You want that one?
yeah, but can you wipe it? Can you wipe? It looks pretty. And pretty.
There you go. Alright, let's go.
Pretty.
So guys, andito kami sa Walmart after sa bumibili tayo dito ng decoration ni Kuya Caleb. Pokemon ang natin. Alam ko nagawa na namin yan like 2 years ago, I think. But yeah, so bili tayo ng I'm right here. Kuha tayo nitong this one and this one. What? I'm here. Seriously? Seriously, you're gonna do that? Hi. Did you look for me?
I didn't.
Did she say what she wanted?
No, we drove around, walked around in a circle. She said she wanted you.
Seriously?
Find it.
You cannot find it? Alright. Is that good? Like,
Yeah, it's
Can
funny.
you
Yeah, sorry.
really
see. And then,
Can you help me find some?
should I get another tablecloth for the,
You want to?
should we get orange?
Can I add it? Can I find?
And
You
I,
have wrapping paper?
no. You can go get a wrapping paper.
Can I come stay with?
Yeah, you can stay with me.
Can we see what I wanted?
What you wanted. What you wanted. And I think that's it. Ay, meron pala dito. Happy birthday. Wala tayong mahanap na ano eh. Ito na lang siguro yung ano, happy birthday poster. Ito na lang kunin ko. Kasi wala akong na ano nakuhang tawag na to. And sobrang plain naman ito for ano, birthday. Ay, ito pala candle. Kailangan natin. Ng number 9. So,
Let's go see what I really
here.
want.
Hold that, huh? Yeah, one, that's fine. I was gonna get these. It's my birthday, but I don't like the color. Look how small that piñata is. What? Daddy won't let you? Nagpapabili si Natalia ng mini pool. Which one? Which one are you getting? That one? Okay, we'll go get it then. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh, you're so happy.
You happy?
Yeah.
But that's nice though.
Oh yeah, it's very nice.
That's very, very nice. Camping, guys. Camping. Look, Sissy, there's a little Hello Kitty one right there.
Yeah.
It's okay, but that's not deep. Can't put in the water. It's just short.
Look at show that.
That is really pretty. I just wish I can have it.
Which one?
Which one do you want? That
This one or
one
that one?
or this?
The rainbows or the Hello Kitty?
The Hello Kitty.
Now you're gonna be that's what, 17? This is $19. You happy, ma'am?
Okay, let Mom get out of the way.
Can
I got this. Just move.
You can hold it. Guys, let's eat some lunch. Here, Sissy.
Mom, can I move this? Move
Oh, pick it up.
this. Move it. Where shall I put it?
Here. So we got some Chick-fil-A, guys. How can people eat in the car? Then you see ate girl. Sissy. There you go. Just sit like that. You don't need to reach it. If you're,
Phone.
huh? If you're gonna,
Scared.
yes.
Tastes so much better.
We are home, guys. I get it.
We've been home, guys.
We've been home. So Daddy's making dinner, guys. What happened to the bacon?
Guys, yeah, Mom.
2 slices per bowl.
Hey guys.
Oh, so yan. Burger. Look at
Take a
that.
Swiss.
Oh, I'll take this one.
Go ahead. Go ahead, kids. We need to get the kids' plates. Quit vlogging.
Oh, you gotta customize it.
Bye. Bye.
You gotta go?
Oh no. Hey mom,
Yes.
the bread tastes like burger.
Huh?
The bread tastes like burger.
The bread tastes like burger?
Mm-hmm.
No, the bacon tastes like full. It tastes like a full meal.
Okay. Look
Exactly like
at
mine.
that. Daddy's burger looks yummy. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, Cha.
Mommy,
Yum.
can I have the chicken?
Yum, yum.
Yes. Can I get 4 out? Hey mom.
No, you're not gonna eat 4 out of 4. You have to eat all of that.
Hey mom.
Oh, you want 4 in your in the fork?
Hey mom.
No, just eat. Just get 2.
Hey mom.
Hmm.
Right here.
Wait.
Guys, so here's my food. Look at that. Look how delicious that is. So we got mushroom, bacon, and what's the Swiss?
Baby Swiss.
Baby Swiss cheese with lettuce. So,
All right, here's this. I'm gonna leave it right there for now.
okay. So guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung pag-decorate natin kasi nalobat ni battery ng aking camera. So pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung gift namin for Kuya Caleb. So Caleb has been wanting this so bad. Talagang niya, ito yung pinaka birthday wish niya is chan-chararan, an iPhone. Pero hindi ito brand new, ha? So this is not a brand new phone. Phone to ni Daddy. Kasi nagpalit kami ng phone. So phone to ni Daddy. Hindi ito brand new. So this is iPhone Pro Max 14.
14 Pro Max.
Yeah, 14 Pro Max. So hindi siya brand new. So ito yung gift namin sa kanya kasi he's been wanting this gift.
Yeah, we'll be on iPhone 20 when
So yan.
260 second nurse.
Guys, ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng tape dito sa side. So, yeah. And then, babalutan natin siya. Then, kagaya nung ginawa natin sa birthday ni Chad noon, nung 9 years old siya. Binalutan natin ng tawag na to sa box. Love ya. So, matutulog na si Daddy kasi alam niyo ba kung anong oras na? It is 1:30 na po ng madaling araw. Birthday na ni Caleb. Happy birthday, Caleb! So, anyways. So, ito. Lalagay natin sa box. Ayan. Kinuha ni Daddy ito sa work. Tapos, para mahirapan siya, diba? Sabi ko nga gusto ko pa yung another box para mas malaki yung box na bubuksan niya, o diba? Para hindi siya maano. But, gigift wrap ko lang to. So, ayun na guys, nabalot na natin. So, ilalagay na natin siya dito. Ilagay na natin siya dito. Para, so, eto na guys. Ayan, nabalot na natin. So, lalagay na natin siya dito sa malaking box na to. Guys, natapos din natin. Medyo nilagyan ko ng madaming tape para hindi magano. So hopefully mag-stay yung tape sa dito sa nilagay ko. And so yeah, oh my gosh. Nantok na ako. Hindi ko alam pa paano ko babalutin ang skateboard. Ang plan ko na lang is ibigay na lang sa kanya ng ano yung skateboard ng hindi nakabalot kasi mahirap siyang balutin. So as in mahirap siyang balutin. So ipapakita ko pa yung biniling regalo ni Daddy sa kanya, si Pokemon. Bumili ng card si Daddy. Then bumili siya nitong card na Fortnite. And ito yung kanyang card. Ito na lang daw yung mga nakita niyang card eh. So susulatan natin to. And then guys, meron kasi silang gustong panoorin na movie, yung Minecraft the movie. So ito binili namin. So sabi ni Daddy i-add na lang daw to sa kanyang regalo kasi ang pinaka main na gift talaga namin sa kanya is yung cellphone niya. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka gusto niya is yung cellphone. Yun yung pinaka ano nasa wishlist niya. Yun cellphone talaga. So dahil hindi namin napanood sa theater, so binili na lang namin. So babalutin ko na lang din to para may add lang sa mabubuksan niyang gift. So yeah. So ayan na siya guys. May palettering tayo, oh, 'di ba? So ayan. And then babalutin ko na to. So ayan na guys. So nilagay na natin. So ayan. So good night. Matutulog na tayo. So guys, nakalimutan ko na ikwento sa inyo yung nangyari kay Natalia. So kukwento ko muna sa inyo bago ako matulog kasi inaantok na rin ako. So ang nangyari guys is this is nangyari to nung Saturday. Saturday naglalaro actually kumakain kami ng dinner. Tapos tapos na silang kumain. Tapos syempre kumain na ako. Then, doon na kami sa table. And then, nagkakatuwaan. As in, nagtawanan and everything. Then, kalaunan. Ewan ko kung anong ginawa. Ano ni Natalia. So, pakita ko sa inyo dito. Dito siya dito, sa may table. So, ito kasi, itong, nandito ako. Tapos, itong upuan na to nakahila. Tapos, yung isang kamay niya nandito, yung isang kamay niya nandun. So, ang ginawa niya, nagduyan-duyan siya dito. Yan, paduyan-duyan siya dyan. Then, hindi niya na yung balance niya. So, umano yung side ng mukha niya dito. As in, dito talaga. Tumama siya dyan. Yan. So, ayun ang kwento sa malaking ni Natalia. Ilalagay ko dito yung picture ng yung as in talagang siya, talagang nagkaroon siya ng butas talaga. Kaya na-end up siya na nalagyan ng stitches. So, kasi talagang bumuka talaga siya as in. Sabi nga ni Troy, Mami, sabi niya. Kasi pinakita ni Daddy nila yung picture kay Natalia nung pagka-uwi namin galing ng emergency room. Tapos, sabi ni Troy, Mami, sabi niya, nakita ko yung utak ni Sissy, sabi niya. Sabi niya, I saw Sissy's brain. Sabi niya ganon. Kasi talagang nakabukas talaga. So, makikita niyo sa picture as in. So, ayun, dinala namin. Buti na lang yung time na yun, pauwi na ang aking asawa. As in, pauwi na siya galing trabaho. Actually, kausap ko siya nung time na nangyari yun. So, ako naman, hindi ako agad nagpanik eh. Tapos, nagalit pa ako kay Natalia noon. Nagalit pa ako sa kanya kasi nga, bakit mo sabi ko naman sa'yo, huwag mong gawin yan, ganyan. Masasaktan ka o baka hindi mo maano yung balance mo, ganun ako. Then, ayun, tapos bigla niya sinabi na, my eye, gumanon siya. Akala ko, natamaan yung mata niya. So, nung tinignan ko, kasi nakaganyan siya. So, nung tinignan ko, ayun na, kita mo na yung butas dito sa may niya. As in, dito talaga. So, talagang talagang bumugwak yung dugo. As in, talagang bumugwak yung dugo. So, ayun, imbes na, nataranta na tuloy ako. Ala, sigawan kaming tatlo, si Chad, si Caleb, nataranta na talaga sila. Hindi rin nila alam ang gagawin. So, sabi ko, tawagin nyo si lola nyo. Dali, tawagin nyo si lola nyo kasi hindi ko alam gagawin ko. So, kumuha ako ng paper towel. Tapos, nilagay ko talaga sa may ulo niyang ganyan. Talagang, ewan ko kung ilang paper towel yung kinuha ko para lang ma-cover dito sa niya para hindi yung dugo. As in, pero buti na lang to si Natalia guys, medyo kalmado siya. Hindi siya yung nagsisigaw, nag-iiniyak. As in, kalmado lang siya. Nag-aano lang siya yung sabi pa niya na, am I gonna be able to, am I gonna be okay? Yan, sasabihin niya, magiging okay ba ako? Makakatulog ba ako? Ganyan. Puro ganun ang iniisip niya. Wala siyang ibang iniisip na yun ang iniisip niya. So, so si Chad, pinuntahan niya lola nila, tapos si Caleb naman, sabi ni Caleb, tatawag na ba ako ng 911? Sabi niya ganon. Sabi ko, ha? Hindi. Sabi ko ganon, pauwi na si daddy, ganyan. So, syempre yung asawa ko nung sinabi ko sa kanya na kailangan namin siyang dalhin sa emergency room kasi nga, ayun nga, na yung ulo niya, kailangan dalhin sa emergency room, sabi ko. And then, ayun talaga sabi niya is, nag-speed limit daw talaga siya. As in talagang, nag-drive daw siya to 80 to 85. Sabi niya ganun. Kaya, Tapos, ayun, di dumating yung lola niya. So, ayun, din siya, nataranta din siya. Tapos, ayun, sabi niya, kumuha ka ng ng basa na tapos yun, kumuha ako ng panibagong paper towel, tapos binasa ko. Tapos sabi niya, kumuha ka ng ng yelo, lagyan ng yelo kasi para daw hindi tuloy-tuloy yung ng daloy ng dugo kasi talagang bumugwak talaga yung dugo nung So ayun, nakatulong naman yun nung nilagay ng ice sa kanyang ulo. As in, talagang dito talaga. Ang sabi nila, dito pa naman daw yung pinaka parte ng dito, ang pinaka madaming dugo na lumalabas. Parang ganun na sabi nila. Ewan ko, basta. Yun. So, ayun, umuwi asawa ko. As in, nagmamadali kami. Yan. So, yun. Na-end up kami sa emergency room. So, saglit lang kami nag-wait sa emergency room. And then, yun, inasikaso na siya. So, tinignan nung nurse, sabi nung nurse, oh yeah, sabi niya, tatahiin to, sabi niya gano'n. Binigyan na siya ng anesthesia. So, tinurok na yung anesthesia sa may dito niya. So, yun, naramdaman ni Natalia yung paglagay ng anesthesia sa niya. As in talaga, lumobo talaga yung dito niya, yung balat niya. Talaga sigaw ni Natalia, ow, 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 sabi ni Natalia gano'n. As in talagang nakakaawa talaga siya, as in. So, ayun nga kaganina, tinanggal na yung kanyang tahi. Ayun nga kaganina, tinanggal yung tahi niya. As in, para na doon mas lalo namang nadudurog na naman yung puso ko. Kaya nung hindi matanggal nung doktor niya yung isang tahi, doon tinapos, inend ko na yung video kasi as in talagang naaano na ako as in like gusto ko na umiyak, as in talagang alam mo yon, like yung puso mo talaga madudurog kasi nakikita mo yung anak mo na nasasaktan, yung ganun na talagang ow, that hurts. Yung mga ganong ano. So, talagang, ayun. But, okay naman siya ngayon. And sabi ng doktor niya, naghihil ng maayos yung ano, yung kanyang sugat. So, ang aanhin na lang natin is, yung aalalahanin na lang natin is yung ano, wala siyang peklat. So, hopefully walang maging peklat na mangyari. But, kung meron man, okay na lang din kasi para meron siyang memory dito na natusok niya yung kanyang ano. Ayun, yung pinaka nakakatawa lang talaga is yung sinabi ni Troy na nakita daw niya yung brain ng kanyang kapatid. Diba? But anyway, so yun ang kwento sa ano ni Natalia, guys. As in, sobrang ano talaga yung ano, yung pangyayari na yun. As in, talagang hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Yung nangyari yung nabali yung kamay ni Troy, okay pa ako kasi hindi ko nakita. As in, wala ako doon nung umiiyak siya. So, okay pa ako Pero nung nakita ko na si Natalia, as in, talagang naano ako. But anyways, ako ay matutulog na, guys. Dahil tomorrow, mamaya pala, doon tayo sa park. Doon tayo magsa-celebrate ng birthday ni Kuya Caleb. So, nag-rent kami ng shelter doon. Para doon tayo sa shelter. And, kasi shelter tapos mayroong konting ilog na ano, meron doon konting ilog tapos yung park, yun. So, yan, doon tayo. Hindi alam ni Kuya Caleb na merong tayong celebration bukas. So, yan. Anyways, good night, guys. Ako matutulog na dahil maaga pa ako gigising bukas kasi gagawa ako ng breakfast and gagawa tayo ng 9 pancake para sa birthday boy kasi parang ginagawa ko na siyang tradition na ano tayo ng, alam mo yun, hanggang siguro ang tradition natin hanggang 15 or 16 hanggang 16 years old magagawa tayo ng pancake na gano'ng kadami. Hindi ko alam. But yun ang plano ko talaga. Alam ko dapat ni-start ko to dati pa. Pero hindi ko ngayon ko lang talaga siya naisip. But anyways, ako yung matutulog na, guys. Dahil siguro it is, ano oras na ba? 2:30 na. Yeah, yung cellphone pala ni Kuya Caleb, guys. Talagang, matutuwa siya doon. As in, matutuwa talaga siya doon. Kasi talagang, matagal na niyang inaano yan. Tatanungin mo siya kung ano yung gusto niyang birthday gift. Ayan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo, cellphone. Tapos, ang mamahal pa ng mga pinipigli niya. Gusto niya daw sa iPhone, Apple Watch, yung bagong labas ngayon na Switch 2, at saka, VR. Diba? Siya yung pinakamahal na ano, at saka yung ano pala, Apple Watch. Yun ang inaano niya. Napakamahal, 'di ba? But yun, matutuwa talaga siya. So, I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep na, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. And, madami na naman akong i-edit. Oh my gosh. Okay, good night.